To blur photo background using the tools option on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open the required photo. Tap edit icon or pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap tools icon. Next, tap face effects. Swipe the icon area below the photo to the left until you are in the background blur section. To increase the blur intensity, you can drag the slider below background blur to the left. The higher the intensity, the more blur your background photo will be. If you are happy with the result, tap done button and then tap save to save the change. As you can see, the background of your photo has been blurred. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.